بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والضحى والليل إذا سجى ما ودعك ربك وما قلى وللآخرة خير لك من الأولى ولسوف يعطيك ربك فترضى.
Surah Ad-Duha. In the name of God, the most gracious, the ever merciful. The day bears witness when it brightens, and the night also when it becomes peaceful, that both sorrow and joy are needed to train and discipline a person. Hence, neither has your Lord abandoned you, nor is He displeased with you. The days to come shall be a lot better for you than these initial ones, O Prophet. And your Lord will soon give you so much that you shall be well pleased.
ألم يجدك يتيما فآوى ووجدك ضالا فهدى ووجدك عائلا فأغنى فأما اليتيم فلا تقهر وأما السائل فلا تنهر وأما بنعمة ربك فحدث.
Is this not a fact that He found you an orphan, thus gave you shelter, found you searching for the way, hence guided you, and found you in need, so gave you such contentment of the heart that it enriched you? So, treat not now the orphan with harshness, and scold not the one who asks, and keep proclaiming the favor of guidance the Lord has given you.